guys, welcome to Athena tutorials. This is Nagashri Bharatwaj. Today let's continue with the question number 7 of exercise 6.1. The question says, without adding, find the sum. In this question, we need to find the sum, but the condition is we shouldn't add them. Just observe here, the numbers given are odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In this series also 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. So this also continues with 21 and 23. And it is starting with 1. Okay. So there's a rule or formula which says that when a number starts with 1 and the given series is odd number series, then sum of first n numbers is n square. What? The sum of n numbers is n square. So, in this series there are how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 digits. So, the sum will be 5 square, which will be 25. So, let's look into the next one. So, there are how many numbers or digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, the sum will be 10 square, which will be 100. 10 into 10 is 100. So, let's move into the last one. How many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, there are 12 digits. So, the sum will be 12 square, which will be 144. I'll repeat, there's one formula or rule which says that when a number starts with 1 and the given series is an odd number series, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, etc. Okay, if the given series is odd number series, then the sum of first n odd numbers will be n square. The sum of first n odd numbers is equal to n square. The same thing I have done here. So n square, how I got this 5? There are 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 square will be 25. Here there are 10 digits. So 10 square will be 100. And there are 12 digits. So 12 square will be 144. So this was very simple problem. Let's continue with question number 8. The question says, express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers, and the second part says express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. In this question, we need to express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers and also 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. Observe carefully, this question is just reverse of the previous one. In last question we had to find the sum, but in this question we need to express this as a sum of 7 odd numbers. Express 49 as a sum of 7 odd numbers and 121 as sum of 11 odd numbers. Okay, what I had told, the sum of first n odd numbers will be n square. Here we know the sum, that is n square, that is 49. So 49 is 7 square, right? So the value of n will be 7. We need to express 49 by 7 odd numbers. Sum of 7 odd numbers. Let's do it. 49 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. How many digits are done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 2 is required. After 9 it will be 11 plus 13. Just verify this. What is 1 plus 3? It is 4. So 4 plus 5, it will be 9. Okay, 9 plus 7, it will be 16. So 16 plus 9, it will be 25. 25 plus 11, it will be 36. 36 plus 13 will be 49. We got the answer. Okay. Likewise, now we need to express 121. So 121 is 11 square. So the value of n is equal to 11. So we need to express 121 as a sum of 11 odd numbers. Okay, 121 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. 7 digits are over. Okay, next 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. So how many digits? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we have expressed 121 as the sum of 11 odd digits. In order to verify, just add these numbers. Okay. So now let's solve the last question of exercise 6.1. In this question, they have given how many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers. So they have given two numbers, 12, 13, 25, 26, 99 and 100. First, we need to find the square of these numbers. Okay, and then we need to find how many numbers lie between the squares of these two numbers. Okay, so to solve this problem, first we need to know this. Numbers between the square of numbers, that is n and n plus 1 is equal to 2n. Just observe carefully here. See, n is 12. Okay. 13 is the next number. 13 will be 12 plus 1, right? 12 plus 1. That is n plus 1. So, to find how many numbers lie between these two squares of these two numbers, just we need to do this. So 2 into what is the value of n? We got to know it is 12. So it will be, what is 12 twos are? 24. Right? So 24 numbers lie between squares of 12 and 13. Likewise, let's do the next one. So n is equal to 25. So n plus 1, which is equal to 25 plus 1, we'll get it 26. So 22 into n. So 2 into 25. What is 2 into 25? Is equal to 50. So 50 numbers lie between the squares of these two numbers. And finally, the last question, the last part is n is equal to 99. So n plus 1 will be 99 plus 1, which will be 100. So 2n will be 2 into 99. What is 99 twos are? It is 198. So 198 numbers lie between squares of the following numbers, that is 99 and 100. I hope you have understood this problem. If you have any doubts, please do comment. So this is it for today's session. Let's continue with the next set of exercise in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.